All right, so good morning, traders. So as you can see, we are currently in this micro e-mini Nasdaq 100 futures trade. We are currently up almost 400. So it looks good. Hopefully, we see a nice rejection, and hopefully, we should hit our TP very soon. So stay tuned because I'm going to give you a full breakdown of this trade. Oh yes, this is looking really good right now. Really good. So stay tuned. Okay, so nice. So to be honest, I thought we would hit TP right away, but as you can see, the price did a lot of sideways action. We even went in drawdown right here, but you see this nice weak rejection, and we are still going up. Hopefully, we're going to hit TP. Patience pay. You just have to follow your strategy, execute it, and be patient, and the money will come. But yeah, see y'all in a few. Okay, so we just hit our TP. So nice trade, nice trade. So we made a nice $2,000. So that's perfect. So let me give you the full breakdown. So the reason why I took this trade is in the morning, as you can see, the market was kind of going sideways, right? Actually, it actually broke down, like make it think that it was going to go downside, right? So we have a break of character here. Then that was a fake out. It went back up and broke character here, making it seems like it's going to be bullish, is going to the upside. Then it went back sideways for a minute. Then I noticed that we right here we pull back and we broke character, showing that the market is going bullish at that point. So I decided to enter whenever the market tapped into that zone, which is an interesting zone. As you can see, we have on one pullback some huge rejection. You see the week right here, huge rejection here. You go down again, huge rejection. You go up, you go down, huge rejection. So I know for a fact that this zone was very interesting. I knew the direction that we are going up because of the break of character here, right? We broke character, and I knew that this zone was interesting to enter because we see those huge rejection candles right here. So as soon as we tapped into that zone, I entered and I just follow my strategy, sit back and let the play run. And we made $2,000 just like that. Simple, simple, simple. But if you want the full strategy, make sure you're clicking the link in the description. All right. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.